Navigating import documentation. Aerospace equipment imports. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring the customs import documentation process for aerospace equipment. By understanding the customs documentation requirements, importers can ensure compliance and efficient clearance for their aerospace shipments. So, let's dive into the topic and discover the key factors to consider when importing aerospace equipment. Aerospace equipment encompasses a wide range of products used in aviation, including aircraft parts, engines, avionics, and navigation systems. Due to the critical nature of these components, importing aerospace equipment is subject to stringent regulations and safety standards. Harmonized System (HS) classification. Importers must accurately classify aerospace equipment based on the Harmonized System (HS) codes. These codes are used globally to classify traded goods, determining applicable customs duties, taxes, and regulations. Aerospace equipment often requires certifications and compliance with stringent standards, such as those set by the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) in the United States. Importers must provide relevant certifications to demonstrate compliance with safety and quality requirements. Value determination. Importers need to determine the customs value of the imported aerospace equipment accurately. The customs value includes the cost of the freight charges, insurance, and any other expenses related to the importation. It is essential to ensure accurate valuation for the calculation of customs duties and taxes. Documentation requirements. Importers must provide complete and accurate documentation for customs entry. This typically includes commercial invoices, packing lists, airway bills or bills of lading, and any necessary certificates or licenses. All documentation should be organized and readily available for customs inspections. Aerospace equipment may fall under export control regulations due to their potential dual-use nature or implications for national security. Importers must ensure compliance with these regulations and obtain any necessary export licenses to facilitate the importation. Importing aerospace equipment often requires importers to secure a customs bond. A customs bond serves as a financial guarantee to ensure the payment of duties and compliance with customs regulations. Importers can obtain a single entry bond or an annual continuous bond, depending on their import volume. Importers of aerospace equipment are required to submit an importer security filing. The ISF provides advance information about the shipment, allowing customs officials to assess potential security risks. Timely and accurate filing of the ISF is crucial to avoid penalties or delays in customs clearance. Importing aerospace equipment may incur customs duties and taxes. Duties are usually based on the classification and customs value of the equipment. Importers should be aware of any preferential trade agreements or duty exemptions that may apply. Importers must ensure compliance with aviation regulations specific to aerospace equipment. These regulations may include safety standards, maintenance requirements, and specific manufacturer guidelines that must be adhered to. Intellectual property rights, IPR. Respecting intellectual property rights is crucial when importing aerospace equipment. Importers must ensure they are not infringing on trademarks, patents, or copyrights related to the equipment. This includes verifying the legitimacy of suppliers and obtaining proper authorization. Record keeping and compliance audits. Importers are obligated to maintain comprehensive records of their aerospace equipment import transactions and relevant documents. These records serve as evidence of compliance and may be subject to compliance audits by customs authorities. Collaboration with customs brokers. Given the complexity and specialized nature of aerospace equipment imports, importers often work closely with customs brokers specializing in this sector. Customs brokers provide invaluable expertise, ensuring compliance, and facilitating smooth customs clearance. Transport and logistics considerations. Transporting aerospace equipment requires careful planning and coordination. Importers must work with reliable logistics providers experienced in handling oversized or sensitive shipments. They should also consider insurance coverage and necessary security measures during transport. Importers must stay updated on the latest regulatory changes and industry standards affecting aerospace equipment imports. Continuous education and industry knowledge help in ensuring ongoing compliance and leveraging new trade opportunities. Navigating the customs import documentation process for aerospace equipment necessitates meticulous attention to detail and compliance with stringent regulations. By accurately classifying the equipment and maintaining proper documentation, importers can ensure a smooth customs clearance process for their aerospace equipment shipments. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more valuable insights on customs brokerage and international trade.